Hi, I'm Slava from... Like, subscribe. Ah, dang it. Wide, black. Give me a second. Oh, marble... Jesus Christ. Including granite, marble. At Bergen Marble... Subscribe for your future video channel tech. Choo. Hold on. Let's do it again. Let me restart. Do it again. One more time. Do it again. Restart. Do it again. One more time. Do it again. Can we redo it? Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. One more time. Let's do it again. Because you on your countertop there. Countertop you on your countertop there. Countertop. Why am I saying you on your countertop? Why? Bitch.
When you think about porcelain, your mind possibly goes to an expensive,
Elegant tea sets or coffee cups.
but porcelain has many more uses.
Decton material. Other slabs are something. Alright. So always here to share our knowledge and experience your advantages of granite. Not much of a severe soft. Make, okay, once again, let's do it again. One more time. Do it again. One more time. Let's do it again. Okay, one more time. Let's redo that one. Do it again. One more time. Let's do it again. Let me restart. Do it again. Let's do it again. Let's redo it. Let's do it again.